Hi, my name is Jason Sharp, and I'd like to welcome you to my ePortfolio, one of the graduation requirements for the School of Information Sciences at UT Knoxville. I created this video to provide my visitors with a brief overview of my ePortfolio, so please let me know if you find this helpful. On the home page, I have included two handy features, a search bar and a sitemap. Below this welcome page, I also include a Contact Me page for those who would like to ask questions or provide feedback. The second section is my reflective summary, in which I look back on the past 2 years as a student at UT Knoxville and consider what it means to be a professional in the field of information sciences. I look back on notable assignments and reflect on my strengths and weaknesses as a student, ultimately deciding that because of UT Knoxville, I now have what I need to succeed in this field. The knowledge section focuses on 3 fields that are particularly important to my education: information seeking, information sharing, and information ethics. In each of these pages, I discuss relevant theories, key terms, and informational tools available to librarians. I've also included suggested readings for those who wish to learn more about these particular fields and highlight specific assignments I have completed over the past 2 years that demonstrate my knowledge in these subject areas. In the next section, I discuss the 5 primary competences that I've developed as an information professional and relate them to specific AASL standards. The competences are promotion of the collection, program development, advocacy and leadership, user instruction, and research into practice. I've included a link here for those that wish to view the complete set of standards, but for the sake of website usability, I've included the definition supplied by ASL in italics here. Clicking on one of those competences will take the reader to a separate page in which each competence is detailed, related to specific ASL standards, and shown to be demonstrated during the creation of my primary course products. Just as in my knowledge section, additional examples have been included below to further demonstrate my mastery of these particular competences. At this point, I'd like to discuss the differences between my primary course products and the additional examples included at the bottom of the knowledge and competences sections. Clicking on course products will highlight the 4 major course products that I've chosen to highlight. These products are larger in scope than the additional examples. They're often final projects developed over several months that demonstrated multiple competences and required a vast amount of course knowledge. A good example of this is the course product Summer Reading Program Design. This group project took months to complete and covered all the minutiae of designing a summer reading program and 33 pages of text, graphics, and tables. For the large course products such as this, I include summaries, reflections, and related competences to make it more easily digestible for my readers. The additional examples are smaller in scope and not required for this ePortfolio, but I thought their inclusion was important to provide a practical demonstration for my knowledge essays and to provide a more detailed look into my developed competences. A brief example of this is the banned book display page included under Additional Assignments and the Miscellaneous section. This page ties in well to the Information Ethics knowledge essay and the promotion of the collection competence, but doesn't fit as well to other competences like user instruction and program development. Moving on from the course products and miscellaneous section, the next section is the projection page. In this page, I discuss how important it is for information professionals to show continued professional development in order to remain relevant to today's society. I discuss my plans for how I will show my own continued professional development and hope it can be of use to those that are interested in learning more about the field. It is a hopeful section that expresses a sense of excitement in obtaining new experiences, so it seemed appropriate to include my resume below the projection section. The resume itself is downloadable and details my past experiences in school and public libraries, along with my desire to discover new opportunities. I hope you find it as exciting as I do. The final section is my sitemap, which may be of use to readers who are unable to use the drop-down menus and want to easily locate a particular page. This section is a bit lengthy, so please remember that the welcome page has a shortened version of the sitemap that does not include the miscellaneous assignments. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video, and please feel free to contact me with questions or concerns about the video or the portfolio using the Contact Me page.